The main issue it was that it was really manual.
Yeah.
The Rappi agents used to edit and configure the photos for size, pixels, color, etc. in Photoshop one by
Yeah.
one. And as you can imagine, the flow it's really big. It's a big flow for new restaurants in all the countries that Rappi is part of. You can have restaurants, let's say, with 6 products, but you can have other ones with 100. So it was really crazy. It was a funnel that we got stuck in there against the other barriers. That was basically the necessity. How can we optimize this process? And then you appear stores with better images have like 3x more probability of someone buying. So we're measuring more like the productivity and the processing time of each restaurant. The sooner a restaurant gets ready to sell, it will be more successful in the market. They have more engagement, etc. So it was really helpful. The overall SLA that we have in all the processes, it's around 1.2 days. And before, well, around that 2 years ago, it was around 9 days. Between Claid and lots of more automatizations, but it's just for to give you a little more context about where we were and where we are now. No, it doesn't. It has over-exceeded our expectations.
Thank you.
But no, it has exceeded our expectations. And it's been really stable, the API right now. It's an ally that helps us improve and optimize the process of image editing.